Okay, so today's lesson is on volume, capacity, and mass, and you do get this under your modules. It is 9.8. So volume and capacity, when we talk about volume and capacity, they are similar. Usually when we are measuring solids though, solids like this, we're using cubic units. Liquids are using units of capacity. All right, so let's take a look at volume first. Then, for example, for solid, it's the amount of space that an object occupies. The most common units we use for volume, like we discussed last class, they'll have the cubic units like meters cubed, centimeters cubed, decimeters cubed. And there's a couple conversions here given to us as well. 1,000 centimeters cubed is equal to 1 decimeter cubed, and then 1,000 decimeters cubed is equal to 1 meters cubed. Capacity is usually liquids, then, the measurement of liquids. The amount that an object will hold. The most common units are milliliters, liters, and kiloliters. And then here at the bottom we have a couple conversions, 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter, 1,000 liters in a kiloliter. And lastly is mass. So to get the mass of any object, you would use like a scale, like this one shown here. It's the amount of matter contained in an object, again measured with a scale. Common units are milligrams, grams, kilograms, and the ton. And then we have 3 conversions given here. 1,000 milligrams equals to 1 gram, 1,000 grams equals to 1 kilogram, and then 1,000 kilograms is equal to 1 ton. So our first example, we have 5 meters cubed, and we need to change it to decimeters cubed. So today we're just going to use the conversions that are given to us in our chart. So we know from our chart that 1,000 decimeters cubed is equal to 1 meters cubed. All right, and we're getting that straight from the conversion in our chart here that was given to us under modules right here. Okay, and so we're just going to set this up like a ratio. And so we know that we are given in our question 5 meters cubed. So we know 5 meters cubed. So I'm going to put that here. So I've kept my units, my meters cubed units here, and my decimeters cubed units here. All right, so now when solving, this is what we're solving for, is this right here. So you can just use cross multiplication now to solve for this here, or you can use equivalent fractions as well. All right, so I'm just using cross multiplication where you multiply the 2 that are diagonal from each other. So 1,000 times 5, and then you divide by the number that does not have a number diagonal to it. So it's 1,000 times 5 divided by 1, and you'll get your answer here. All right, so 1,000 times 5, that's 5,000 divided by 1, it's still 5,000. So we end up here with 5,000 decimeters cubed. All right, let's try another example. Let's say we have 750 kiloliters, and we need to change it to liters. All right, so again, you can use moving the decimal place from kilo to liters, so 1, 2, 3, but we're just focusing today on using the conversion factors given. And what we know is that there's 1,000 liters in 1 kiloliter. And in our question, we're given 750 kiloliters. So I'm going to put that here. And we are solving for liters. So again, you're going to multiply, cross multiplication. So 1,000 times 750 divided by 1, and I get 750,000. All right, and let's do one for mass. And let's say I am given 0.3 tons, and I need to get that into kilograms. All right, so using our conversion factor, we know that there is 1,000 kilograms is equal to 1 ton. And we're given 0.3 tons. And we need to solve for how many kilograms is that. All right, so again, cross multiplication, 1,000 times 0.3 divided by 1. And you'll get 300 kilograms.